Yo. 안녕하십니까. Little unboxing. Coach. Birthday present from my mother. It's like this. There was also a white one, white background and cherry, but I wanted the black one because my bag is black. 사랑하고 사랑하고 정해주세요. Okay. And as a main gift was this camera and the mic for it. I should record it with the mic, right? So yeah. Oh, why would it disconnect though? That's so weird. Such a Korea boo. What the hell? Can you hear me? Yes, you can hear me finally. Voice. It didn't work for a while. Yesterday was my birthday, and today, as a birthday gift from my mother, I got this wallet from Coach with this cute cherry. The price of this wallet was 915 dirhams, which is like, I have no idea how much is it. Before discount it was 1,300 dirhams. So yeah, it's around 350. So the main gift was this camera, DJI Osmo Pocket, and I got it one day before my birthday with this mic. I wanted to buy creator combo, but it wasn't in stock, so like I bought it separately. I have too many cards, so I'll put all of them here because I have my wallet. Hello. Here. So I don't have any space. this is how it looks like. It's very pretty, very cool, very lovely, and I love it. Thank you. Goodbye.